It's really overwhelming to see that after 5 years, it is already reopened, the Cathedral of Notre-Dame. So I'm so happy.
Là, aujourd'hui, elle renaît au milieu d'une république laïque et où on se rend compte que les gens, la religion, même si on est resté un pays laïque, c'est important parce que c'est au-dessus de nous.
C'est un très gros moment, c'est un grand moment d'histoire déjà, et c'est un grand moment dans la foi chrétienne aussi. C'est un symbole qui a traversé les âges.
Sheila Gunn Reid for Rebel News, and I'm here in Paris, France to witness the reopening of the 800-year-old Notre-Dame Cathedral 5 years after the devastating fire, which nearly claimed it in 2019. To see our reports from on the ground and to support our work, please go to NotreDameRestored.com. The reopening ceremony began with the Archbishop of Paris, Laurent Ulrich, symbolically knocking on the cathedral's doors 3 times with his crozier, which was made from wood salvaged from the fire-damaged roof. This act preceded the opening of the doors, signifying that the cathedral is open for worship again. The ceremony was attended by over 1,500 world dignitaries, including French President Emmanuel Macron, US President-elect Donald Trump, First Lady Jill Biden, Prince William of Britain, and Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky. Notably absent, however, was Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. The ceremony itself was broadcast around the world, a blend of religious tradition and French cultural celebration. It featured a film on the reconstruction, live classical music, and a tribute to the firefighters and artisans involved in the restoration. The cathedral's bells, including the largest bell, Emmanuel, rang out for the first time since the fire. And the massive organ with its 8,000 pipes was reawakened for the occasion. The years-long restoration work restored Notre Dame's spire, the rib vaulting, flying buttresses, and the stone gargoyles to their previous glory. The stone and the paintings, blackened over time and by the fire, were thoroughly cleaned. The project involved over 2,000 people, including architects, craftsmen, artisans, and they all used traditional methods to ensure historical accuracy. Free tickets for visiting the cathedral were available online, but as you know, they were quickly snapped up. Although the cathedral was open to the public December 7th, so yesterday, further masses and ceremonies are planned over the following days to celebrate the reopening, including a special mass today, December 8th, occurring right now, led by Archbishop Ulrich. 40,000 people were on the streets outside of the cathedral in the pouring rain and the bitter cold last night to celebrate this rare reclamation of a nearly lost cultural artifact. And Rebel News was there with them in the cold. We asked them what this day meant to them.
It shows the French panache. We did a great job. Only 5 years of reconstruction, and we are here at the very center, epicenter of the French civilization. So thank you very much.
On est là pour entendre les cloches sonner parce que ça reste quand même un monument magnifique de Paris et je pense du monde entier. Donc c'est pour vivre ce moment même s'il pleut.
For me, it's a real dream. It's a renovation. It's in my heart, the cathedral. And now my heart will now go on.
Parce que j'ai vu à la télé le feu en Allemagne et c'était aussi choquant. Et maintenant, c'est vraiment ému.
Je suis venu témoigner en hommage au dévouement et à l'engagement du général avec toutes les équipes de Notre-Dame Et pour moi, de me retrouver ici à proximité de l'entrée de Notre-Dame, c'est très très particulier. Je suis ému. Je sais pas comment le décrire.
Well, it's amazing. I mean, it's been on fire 4 years ago. We thought it was done for. We thought that we're never going to see it rebuilt. So now it's really it's an honor to see it rebuilt as it is right now. So yeah, I think we're moving towards the right direction, definitely.
It's really overwhelming to see that after 5 years, it is already reopened, the Cathedral of Notre-Dame. So I'm so happy.
Là, aujourd'hui, elle renaît au milieu d'une république laïque et où on se rend compte que les gens, la religion, même si on est resté un pays laïque, c'est important parce que c'est au-dessus de nous. Et de l'avoir rassemblé autant d'histoires, de savoir-faire et d'amour, c'est quelque part dans le monde où on vit aujourd'hui, c'est une version d'espoir quand même. On peut se dire que l'homme n'est pas forcément mauvais.
Je dirais que c'est une grande fierté déjà que ça puisse faire dans un temps assez court. Et c'était une telle catastrophe quand c'est arrivé, on est content de la retrouver.
Well, I actually came here to experience this live. I think it's going to be something. Well, I think it's something very special. You have world leaders uniting, and you have the people of France here enjoying what's happening here today.
I've seen that on TV, the time when it burnt out, and it was really sad. But now I'm so happiness, and I really appreciate to be here.
C'est un très gros moment, c'est un grand moment d'histoire déjà, et c'est un grand moment dans la foi chrétienne aussi. C'est un symbole qui a traversé les âges, l'histoire, et cette réouverture, c'est une renaissance juste avant les fêtes en plus, donc c'est génial.
The reopening of Notre-Dame was not just a moment of national pride for the French, but also a testament to the international cooperation and the enduring cultural significance of this UNESCO World Heritage Site to both the French, but for Christians around the world. For Rebel News in France, I'm Sheila Gunn Reid. I'm part of the Rebel News team on the ground in France. I'm here with my colleague Alexa Lavoie. We are reporting on the reopening of the Notre-Dame Cathedral after it was nearly claimed in a fire nearly 5 years ago. To see our reporting from here on the ground in France and to support our independent journalism, please go to NotreDameRestored.com.